And the race on Wind Turbulence by the Blue Seal from the outside, the Goose Fantasy. And racing in port is Street Bump running by the Dancing Storm. And rushing up is Afternoon Delight, number 4, Best Kept Secret. Solar War is running at the tail of the field. Wind Turbulence by a length and a half, followed by Blue Seal. The Goose Fantasy is racing in third, rushing up Street Bump. Dancing Storms racing in by another length and a half. And nearing the far turn, Wind Turbulence by a length and a half. Blue Seas Wind Bump. Dancing Storms getting closer in for Dugus Fantasy. Danori inside. Rounding the far turn, Wind Turbulence still hanging to that half-length lead. Blue Seal from the outside, Sprint Bump down on the inside, Dancing Storms as they swing for home. Wind Turbulence, Red Bump from the outside, Dancing Storm down on the inside, entering the last 200 meters more to run. Wind Turbulence, Red Bump, and Blue Seal in the middle, but still Wind Turbulence followed by Blue Seal. Wind Turbulence by Hapland, and finally Wind Turbulence, Blue Seal, Red Bump, Dancing Storm, and Dugus Fantasy for your Fantafecta.